Hi, hope you're having a great day. Well, today we're going to talk about a simple summer drink. This is inexpensive to make. You find the ingredients wherever you are in this country, and all of these ingredients are also available in different countries around the world. With the summer coming on, what we need to look at is dehydration. Even a 1% drop of water in your body can lead to innumerable problems with your vital organs, your systems, your blood, your electrolytes, your thinking, your energy levels, your weight, the health of your skin, your hair, and all of these things. That's the importance of water in the human body. But with the summer, with the upcoming summer right now and all this heat, we need to be careful of dehydration. Well, this drink finds its origin in North India, and you would find this drink being made on roads and in little villages and everywhere else and stuff. Today you can make it in the comfort of your own home. The drink that I'm talking about is nothing but the good old Indian Jal Jeera. Now Jal Jeera is nothing but Jal is water and Jeera is cumin. Now when you combine these two and a whole load of other ingredients, you have this amazingly delicious drink which can quench your thirst. It is great for your digestion. It comes with a lot of health benefits, which is why when you look into the wisdom of our country, people combine different spices with different liquids to make concoctions that basically added a lot of health to all of our bodies. And now you can call this the Indian lemonade as well, because to some recipes of Jal Jeera, people have found their own recipes to make the normal Jal Jeera, which is fantastic. Some people add dry ginger to it, some people add dried mango to it, some people add tamarind to it. It's really up to you. I call it the Indian lemonade with health benefits because it comes minus the sugar, minus the high corn fructose syrup, like all the other lemonades that you find in the world, including Indian lemonade. They add sugar or high corn fructose syrup to lemon and water, and they call it lemonade. Well, this is the Indian lemonade. Now, I'm going to break down the ingredients, and right after this video, we'll post a recipe so that you can make your own Jal Jeera at home. It consists of water, of course, hygienic drinking water, with roasted jeera, which is roasted cumin. I'm a fan of cumin. We've done a video on cumin as well, because right from digestion to even weight loss, to the health of your hair and your skin, it's rich in antioxidants. Cumin is fantastic for digestion. It's fantastic for people who have a lot of gas. One of the best remedies that we have for people with gas is taking a tablespoon of jeera with a teaspoon of ajwain and boiling it, make it into a tea, and it can basically give you relief from acidity and gas almost instantly. Anyway, going back to the recipe, you have roasted cumin, you have ginger powder, you have a little bit of coriander, you have a little bit of mint, you have a little bit of black pepper, you have a little bit of black salt, and like I said, some people add tamarind to it, some people add dry mango to it, and you make this into a drink. And it is fantastic for the summer. Your kids can have it, you can have it, your parents can have it. It doesn't matter what age you are at. These ingredients also help you to stimulate your appetite, and this is a great drink for people going through chemotherapy, people going through radiation, because their taste buds get affected, and this can also stimulate your taste buds. So if you've lost taste because of a certain medication you're on or certain treatment like chemo or radiation, this can also stimulate your taste buds. It stimulates your digestive system, your digestive enzymes. You see, most people have discomfort, indigestion, acidity, gas, because they're unable to produce the amount of digestive enzymes to break down your food. Well, these digestive enzymes are stimulated by cumin, which is found in your Jal Jeera. So jeera stimulates your digestive enzymes, which can help you reduce your acidity, reduce your gas, and even reduce your bloating. So it's great for heartburn, it's great for acidity, and yes, black salt. Black salt is also added to this because it can reduce nausea and it can increase your energy levels, taking away fatigue. So you're out in the sun, you have this drink because you're feeling weak, or the sun gets to you and drains you of that energy. This is your go-to drink that you can have. Most of the ingredients that I mentioned are inexpensive and easily available. All we need to do is make this drink. Make a whole bottle in the morning and carry it with you to work or wherever you go. Of course, in a glass bottle, because we don't want to use plastic. And we don't want to use plastic because you're also leaching BPA from the plastic. It's going into your system, creating and mimicking estrogen, and of course it's bad for the environment at the same time. So you can make this bottle, carry it, you can have it warm, you can have it chilled. It's really up to you. But this is something that you want to get into your diet. Now, what you can also do is you can add a teaspoon of sabja seeds to it as well. So you've got everything in that one bottle, or you can do it separately. But this is something that's going to be great for your digestion, great for your health, and great for the whole summer season. Go ahead, try making it, and feel the magic that happens in your body when you give everything that's nature's given to us to your body in the right quantity, the right season, at the right time. Have a great day, everyone. Until next time, eat smart, move more, sleep right, and breathe deep.